Divide 952 by 4 in long division method. 4 times 2 is 8. On subtracting, we get 1. So, this 1 is less than 4. So, we put down this 5 and it is 15. 4 times 3 is 12. On subtracting, we get 3. So again this 3 is less than 4. So we put down this 2 and it is 32. 4 times 8 is 32. On subtracting, we get Z. So 952 divided by 4 is 238. So this much for today and thanks for watching.